All right, hi, Dave here with Restore a Muscle Car in Lincoln, Nebraska. One of the first cars I'm going to talk about here is we have a one-owner 73 automatic Super Duty. This car came in from the original owner out of Florida, out of I think the Tampa area. We did a frame-on restoration on this car. It was super nice, rust-free, original panel car. We did all new paint, decals, freshened up the interior, I think new carpet, headliner, some minor stuff on the interior, freshened it up. We rebuilt the motor, the tranny, went through the rear end, all new brakes, lines, hoses, any of that stuff that needed to be done. It's a stock rebuild on the numbers matching motor, numbers matching transmission. Everything is documented. We have pictures and everything up on our website for you to look at and find more details on this car. Lot number 1103. It goes through on Friday evening, sometime around 5 or 6. 43,000 actual mile car, actual on the title.